Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Johnny with Learn to Earn, and I have a challenge for you. But before I explain the challenge, I have three questions for you. Have you ever been put into a position when it comes down to being in a trade and you struggle to cut losses and you continue to bag hold? My second question is, do you think, based on current market conditions, that it has been inconsistent and so inconsistent that you almost don't want to trade for a profit? My third question is, have you ever set up a plan, but you don't stick to your plan? For whatever your reason is, there might be a break of pattern, there might run up and you get greedy and you don't lock in profits. It begins to break its pattern. And again, it goes back to question number one, and you don't cut losses or manage your risk. And if you've answered yes to any of these three questions that I just asked you, give me 1 minute to explain to you what this challenge is. So you have your entire life, we can both agree, you have your entire life to make a profit in the stock market. And you also know that the stat that 95% of people fail when it comes down to day trading in the stock market. Think about it for 1 second. Why do you think so many people fail? Do you think that there's a possibility in your experience and based off of what you've seen that a huge area of opportunity, an area of improvement for the common trader is risk management? And I talk about it all the time. So you understand that all you have is nothing but time. You are learning to trade and you have nothing but time to make a profit. You understand that so many people fail the stock market because they do not know how to manage their risk. So with that said, and by understanding that, my challenge for you is to give yourself 1 week. We both agree that the market has been choppy. It's been hard to make a profit, but we're all about being productive and efficient. So, okay, I have a challenge for you. And what I challenge you is to, all you focus on next week is on cutting losses. Now, first of all, I know what you're thinking. This is ideal for someone who's a beginner, who's potentially paper trading or simulation trading. And if you don't know what that is, Google it, YouTube it. I have videos on it. But the reason I want to make this video is because I don't think enough people are actually taking action when it comes down to practicing, when it comes down to cutting losses. And I know that almost doesn't make sense, but why would you practice cutting losses? Again, why do so many people fail at day trading? Because they struggle to manage their risk. Ask yourself, have you ever been put into a position in the past week, past month? Ask yourself, what is one of your biggest reasons that you have consistent green days, but it literally just takes one red day to give all of that hard work away, all that profit away, because you don't keep your losses smaller than your profits. So we both understand that the market has been choppy. So ask yourself, you want to be part of that 5%. Work to get one step closer to becoming that 5% of the successful traders. Do you think it's worth, in this choppy market condition, to dedicate 1 week of your time, 1 week of your life, out of all the time to make a profit in the stock market, and 1 week of your time to practice and try to really refine how to manage your risk? And what might this look like? Well, I still want you to stick to the very basics. With a trading simulator or paper trading account, before you use real cash, the ideal people for this challenge. But if you're trading with real money, then, again, practice makes perfect. And it's not about becoming a perfect trader, but it's working toward becoming as close to perfect as possible. And I think that we can both agree that there's always room for improvement when it comes down to the way we manage risk. So there's three things that I like to take into consideration when it comes down to cutting losses. And that's a max percentage loss. So say you only want to day trade a stock that only offers a 3% margin of profit for a 1% stop loss. What you're then going to focus on is the 1% stop loss. So wherever it is you get in, you're going to set your stop loss at 1%. And I did a really great job this week on showcasing that in my live streams with our LTE team. Another way is a max dollar loss, which I also incorporated in the live stream. So if your max stop loss is $10 or $100 to make $50 or $500 Once it hits that $10 loss or $100 loss, then you focus on making sure that you cut losses when it hits that number. The third thing is a break of pattern, right? So if a stock pushes up, and like in today's live stream, it was pushing up, it was showing a very consistent uptrend for MSTZ. We got in, and then all of a sudden it broke its pattern, and I got stopped out. I made money, but the pattern of it going up began to curl over and sell off, which means the upward trend was no longer relevant. So how do you approach this? I want you to get empowered when it comes down to setting up a stock plan. You still want to make sure that you set yourself up for success by waiting for a good entry. You wait for confirmation, you wait for the overall direction to be in your favor, and you make sure that the margin of profit outweighs the margin of loss. Still stick to the very basics of trading. But what I want you to focus on, if you accept this challenge, is with your trading this next week to make sure that you're so empowered to cut losses at your stop loss. Every single day, no matter what, sell your position when you get to your max percentage loss, when you get to your max dollar loss. When it comes down to breaking the pattern, you sell your position. The point is to be empowered to manage your risk. So all you're going to do to focus on next week is how to refine your ability to manage risk. So next time when you're put up to the plate and you're tested and there's a potential breakup pattern, potential max potential, profit loss, potential dollar loss, that you don't even blink when it comes down to cutting losses. And 1 week is a very small amount of time period for a lifetime of trading. 1 week to focus on a skill set that's going to take you much more time to refine, but I'm just putting this in your head that it's important. I'm not saying you're going to be a perfect trader when it comes to managing your trades, but it's going to help. It's going to help over time. It's just about testing it for a week and seeing how it plays out, seeing if it actually benefits you in the long run, and asking yourself, is managing risk an area of opportunity, especially in this choppy market? Instead of focusing on every single trade on making a profit, that you set yourself up for success. Yes, you wait for confirmation. Yes, you wait for good entry, but you manage your risk. Because why? You're working more effectively, more efficiently to get closer to becoming that 5 or 10% of traders that actually make a profit consistently over time in the stock market. So again, if you accept my challenge, what I want to offer, and in no way do you have to do this, but just so I can pick one random winner this next week, and you don't even have to be a part of this if you don't want to, but I'm going to put a link below, and all it's going to ask is, do you accept our risk management challenge? And by that, it allows me to gather a list of people that I will randomly select and then potentially give a gift or an incentive. And at the end of the day, it's not even about that. The whole point of this video, the whole point of me dedicating time to talking to you about this is to show you how important it is for you to manage risk. I hope that you benefit from this video. I hope I earned your thumbs up, and I hope you accept this risk management challenge. And other than that, guys, the link will be in the Discord for our Learn to Earn members. If you're not part of our Learn to Earn team, join the Discord. First link in the description below, and that'll give you access to our free community, and you will be able to participate in this risk management challenge. So thank you. I appreciate your time. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you bright and early Monday morning for another live day trading session. Thanks, guys. I appreciate your time, and have a great day.